Well, the costs involved in reciprocal IVF are basically very similar to those in conventional IVF. In the USA, you can expect to pay between $10,000 and $15,000 per cycle. This doesn't include the cost of the medication needed in the ovarian stimulation or the preparation of the endometrium, and these can sometimes cost between $1,000 and $3,000. The price for an IVF cycle or a reciprocal IVF cycle in the UK is around £5,000, and in Canada, it can cost around 7,000 Canadian dollars. Many people opt to come to Spain for their treatments in assisted reproduction, since it is a country which is very advanced in the field. And in Spain, an IVF cycle can cost between 3,000 and 6,000 euros. Again, costs of hormone medications are not included. Often, your clinic, if you are paying privately for this treatment, may have multi-cycle offers or further embryo transfer offers, so it is best to inform yourself with all the options available before you decide on your final treatment.